Hello everyone. We, the students of KLE Technological University, worked on the course project named Disk Throwing Machine. Our team includes myself, Divya Kembhavimat, Shweta, Vanshi, and Siddhant. We are guided by our professor Rajeshwari ma'am from School of Electronics and Communication. Our need statement says that Decathlon, a sports shop in Hubli, is introducing a new gaming arena for novice players. It needs an automatic disc throwing machine for various games. Our disc throwing machine has various functions such as it can sense the disc, hold the disc, store the disc, orient the disc in the disc sorter, check the availability, move the disc to the disc throwing section, releasing the disc. It also indicates about the process completion, information of disc, turning off the machine when the discs are not in the disc sorter, and finally comes the casing. We have clustered sensing the disk, holding the disk, storing the disk, orientation of the disk, checking its availability, moving the disk to the disk throwing section, ejection of disk as one unit, that is handling unit, and process completion, information of the disk, turning off the machine when the disks are not in the disk sorter as the indicating unit, and last but not the least is the casing unit. The three subsystems identified are handling unit, indicating unit, and casing unit. We have generated four concepts. Among them, the first concept is with the help of rubber tubing, that is latex tubing, using the elasticity property of the rubber. When we pull this latex tubing to a greater extent, the disc launcher is pulled, and when it is released, it hits the disc with a greater force such that the disc travels to a greater distance. Our second concept generated is with the help of two flywheels, or basically cycle wheels, which is connected to a geared motor, wherein the discs are being inserted in between these two wheels, and the rotatory motion of these two wheels help the disc to eject at a greater extent. The third concept generated is similar to a robotic arm, which pushes the disc at a greater distance at a particular angle. The fourth concept generated is with the help of a single wheel connected to a DC geared motor, where the discs are being inserted at the beginning of the wheel, and it is traveled to this path, and the rotatory motion of the wheel helps the disc to move at a greater distance. Finally, we have selected concept 4 on weighing it on the puck chart with a maximum score of 21. Moving on to the virtual implementation, this is how our 3D model of the entire system looks like. Now I am going to show the assemble video of all the three subsystems. This is the base which we have created with the help of foam sheet of 12 mm thickness. It is basically trapezoidal in nature so that it moves at a greater distance. This is the place where the disc needs to be traveled, and this is the wheel which is connected to the DC geared motor at a higher RPM, and this is the disc sorter wherein 10 to 12 discs can be inserted in the disc sorter. Now we have connected the IR sensor to check the availability of the disc, and we have also connected a buzzer here to indicate whether the discs are being ejected or not. IR sensor here will check the availability and indicate whether the discs are present or absent in the disc sorter. And the servo motor which is being connected here pushes the disc to the wheels compartment such that the rotatory motion of the wheel will help the disc to get ejected. Finally, this is how our model looks like. This is the circuit diagram of our system, which contains a battery to the DC gate motor, IR sensor, relay module, buzzer, servo motor, Arduino Uno board, and an IR remote. Presuming if the disk is present in front of the IR sensor, then the DC motor and the servo motor starts rotating and the buzzer doesn't beeps. When there is no when there is no disk in front of the IR sensor, then the DC motor and the servo stops and the buzzer starts beeping. Here is the flowchart of our entire model. Considering the IR state to be 0 when there is disk in front of the IR sensor, so when it is true, the DC motor and the servo motor starts and the wheel starts rotating and the disk gets ejected. If there is no disk in front of the IR sensor, then the buzzer beeps and the IR state automatically becomes 1. If the buzzer beeps for more than a minute, then the DC motor and the servo motor automatically stops. If the buzzer beeps less than a minute, that is, when we insert the disk into the disk sorter within a minute, then the buzzer beeps stop and the DC motor and the servo motor do not get stopped, and process continues with the ejection of the disk into the disk sorter. Here is the bill of materials. We have used wheel with the help of rubber and acrylic sheet. The rubber is tapered at the end of the acrylic sheet to get the friction. LED used to indicate the process completion. Buzzer to indicate whether the disks are present in the disk sorter or not. Base, which is made of acrylic sheet, or we have used foam sheet of 12 mm. IR sensor module to check the availability of the disk. Servo motor to push the disk. Disk holder to store the disk and orient them. Arduino to control the DC gate motor, and DC gate motor which rotates the wheel at a higher RPM. Disk which is being ejected. Relay module which also controls and support the DC gate motor. Here is the motor sizing of the entire system. Since our system is inclined at a particular angle, we have two forces, horizontal and vertical forces. Horizontal force comes out to be 1.127 Newton and vertical force comes out to be 2.254 Newton, and the total torque intake is 0.09016 Newton meter, and the power consumed by our project is 26.423 watt. Here is the major functional specification of our entire systems, which make our project a bit different from others. It can sense the disk within the range of 0 to 4 cm, and the servo motor can push the disk at an angle of 0 to 90 degree, and the disk sorter can store 10 to 12 disks at a stretch, and the IR sensor check the availability of the disk, and if there is no disk, then the buzzer beeps. Within a minute, nearly 10 disks can be launched, since the disk sorter is of 20 cm height, and the wheel is rotated at a higher RPM so that the disk is moved at a greater distance, and for every disk launched we get a beep sound such that the disk is ejected completely. Here is the modeling and simulation video. Now when I press 2 in the IR remote, assuming that there is no disk in front of the IR sensor, so the buzzer beeps and the DC motor and the servo motor do not rotate. When I press 3, we must assume that there is disk in front of the IR sensor, so the DC motor and the servo motor starts rotating. We can see the buzzer beeping here. and we can see that the DC motor has 0 RPM and the servo motor has stopped running. So now the no discs are ejected. Now when I press 3, there is disc in front of the IR sensor. The DC motor and the servo motor is running, which indicates the wheel is rotating and the disc is being pushed into the disc throwing section. Again I have pressed 3, which indicates there is no disc in front of the disc sorter, but still these two are running, which indicates within a minute if you insert the disc in the disc sorter, the machine doesn't get switched off. More than a minute, if you do not insert the disc in the disc sorter, then the DC motor stops. We can see 0 RPM here and the servo had stopped. This is how our project works. Thank you.